The Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury tells the story about young Montague and his transformation from book burning fireman to a book reading rival. Young Montague lives in an oppressive society that tries to eliminate all sources of complexity, contradiction, and confusion to ensure uncomplicated happiness for all its citizens. The society that lives in that world are constantly bombarded with advertisements, shallow entertainments, leaving them no space to think or access their own emotional states. The result is a society that grows increasingly selfish, disconnected, pleasure-seeking, and empty. When the story was published in 1953 during the Cold War, the message is still relevant today. It's a book that shows the dangers of over-censorship and neglecting reality in favor of technology, making it an amazing book to read even outside the classroom. I really adore this book because it shows the reader what a freedom of thought is. The society that Bradbury depicts in that story has voluntarily given up from books and reading, and people do not feel oppressed or censored there. And his main message is to show that people in that society that wants to survive and brings people its fulfillment must be encouraged to wrestle with their ideas.